Kwaba deba agokensi so me vesa vonyo fa lady ajobo lady. Vesa o papa bi nam den sem ne brasada enkoma 1xbet.com. Acho se bet and papa oto a usika no udi ya na beto eye wallet mu kama na bibia konka odds nso eni so kama bibia konka 1xbet.com. Jifas mixture we here oba here be me here so de besiesie ho kama so be bi ujonku be bia ye oye bia no ni nyina ebeko away na bibia konka dia mana Sadimo gel and roll on so the ultimate pain reliever enye asem ketwa kra upetimi dia massage eye usisi ya oya ukotodwe o back pain bibia ni nyina beko na bibia akonkan ede ama o se wo pen dodo etu akwa sense pharmacy na sense pharmacy na be frɛ wo mo 0208986731 ubetimi enya wo mo so e wo Ashama main station anase tema empotemu na bibia akonkan ede ama Miss Goldie's boutique wono so e wo Santa Maria Blue Kiosk wono so ene shematare kama kohwa bibia ohia ubenya yentu fanko amanone na yenhwe enra EPL match sa ekọ so Fulham etibitine fie ma Tottenham Hotspur ekoche no enom ne kabako.
As a coach, I have trained with them for let me say a year now, and they know me, I know them. So when they are playing, I think I don't need to shout at them. I only shout occasionally when the needs come. I don't need to be shouting. Besides that, this is my style of coaching. I don't. When I'm at training, I push them, I shout at them. And when it comes to the game, I think as a coach I have told them what to do on the field. So I leave it for them to do it. When the mistakes come, well, I want to shout, I'll shout. But I'm always calm on my players to do what
Management Committee Chairman Edema the Black Galaxy Zora Tony Obe so dia tuja say wo jide wo mrantie no mu say team bia ye be hia no the next stage of the competition ne bia no ye betimi edi nkunim.
Me, I believe in doing things that satisfies you first and your family, and then you go to the nation. I can see that most of them want that record. Most of them want to change the narrative, and most of them want to be able to go to Ghana and say, yes, you sent us there, we've conquered. This is your trophy. So I think this is the way the management team, led by myself, have been talking to. Motivating them about, and I think they are also listening, and they are already self-motivated, so we don't have a problem even motivating them. They are quite self-motivated. Well, I would want to say, tell Ghanaians, as we do all the time, that please provide your maximum support for this team. This is not the time for some negative predictions and all those things. We also ask for prayers for our team. That's all they can do. Support, sometimes the unity of thought would also flow. The spiritually will flow into this.
Chan na yembra oman Ghana mu na kasama for the Mother Ghana Football Association ora Henry Asante Chum ediato eye Asempa Ultimate Sports Show so say coach ye hwe ni mu say be na media ma the Black Stars of Ghana no ade say end of this month ya no wo ma shortlist wo no wo do din e ba betuja.
There is a major problem at the national level, and it trickles down on the subsets or the various economies in the system.
Okay, fine. Said the bear I bit me address issues no tin me but dwell on one particular issue for a long time. But Yamra the if you work by no coaches not submit or try to submit your report near.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Technical team has submitted, management team has submitted. It has been discussed at the executive council level. I know, sir, because of the break in some of the meetings were on hold. But once I resume this week, a lot of the things will be fast tracked in terms of who takes over as head coach, who goes where, and then our preparation for the rest of the AFCON qualifiers is also about starting. Once you have a head coach, it means you have a plan in place. I know that there is a plan in place, but head coach now will be taking over and be determine a name or person in terms of scouting, in terms of bringing in new players, in terms of maintaining one more World Cup, or any other decision or person will take. Me wojidie warishe muse enche there will be a firm decision on the technical direction of the team. Because ugofa obiba na on to me and fan nine see from one dressing room agent in someone it's going to be calamitous, and that is not what we need at this moment, especially when we are preparing for a major tournament. Our Obo qualifiers we are go into a major tournament. On the back of 2 tournaments are anko, in your next tournament it has to be good enough to merit status now over the years. And coach obi take you over bia coach I was say obia or commanding respect now for utumide the 9C for more players need sa GDN odono edebe manual obetumide
area kra no shene so say ubekaya 2019 ye call Africa Cup of Nations no na ra coach Kwesi Apia ono enedi yenim di ye call ye na sabre no na ye preni adentina on fa Sule Muntari ne Kevin Prince Boatemba so ubekaya so sabre mu no na ye normalization mu na sabre no ora Dr. Kofi Amwa ono ena na ye chairman ma the Ghana Football Association say coach Kwesi Apia e dia betu dwa sabre no Dr. Kofi Amwa threaten say one Fresule ene Kevin Prince Boatin we best sack no crowd be G team no e di efinis him na say interference aye kano the Ghana Football Association for one more interfere in Black Stars selections.
I told him I'm not afraid of being sacked. I mean, those threats I've heard it several times, but I'm not the type that those threats scare me. He thought Sule and Kevin should be part of the team. But you see, meanwhile, you ask yourself, are these players that you're talking of, are they playing? And if they are playing, are they in top form that can compete at that level? But you don't tell me, go and bring them as if I don't know what I'm doing. Or if you are better than the coach, then you should have been the coach.
Any day I can see Munsem Nina Ebisiasda and call and Fama Badwam Bo Mechidoms from Kodiana 1xbet.com, Jefax Mixture, Sedimo Gel and Roll-On and Miss Gold's Boutique. Mave Savonio, Far Lady Job Lady, Vesda Papi Mishawada, and found San Kefidino, bedroom, Eguswa, Etwas.